Hi, this is Frederick Asari. I want to urge you all to subscribe to Asante Kotoko YouTube channel for all your updates. Thank you.
I hope you had a wonderful night.
Yeah.
Your debut game for Kotoko and you came up top as the best player in the game. How does that make you feel? Do you feel happy receiving it?
Yes, I feel happy because my Kotoko is a big club, so I was playing with against Akasa Factory is also big, so uh,
Yes.
that's why I want to show myself, to show Kotoko supporters. So I'm here. So I'm very happy to be here.
You really lived up to the Sergio Ramos tag that you said people call you. How do you feel uh, about it? People praising you after the game.
I'm happy, right? I'm happy to hear the people say that because Ramos is my model. So always when he play, I want to watch him. So me too, I want to play like him.
Were there moments in the game where you guys were scared? You thought like when they came back, you scored and they equalized that it was going to be difficult for you, possibly not winning the game.
Yes, it was difficult, but not impossible. You understand?
You always knew that you
Yeah,
will win.
because we want to win. That's why we put to our mind that we want to win.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how would you describe your mates and the performance which they put up yesterday?
It was good, very, very good.
Okay. So we wish you all the best and continue giving us such performance, okay?
Thank you.
All the best.